Greetings to all judges. Welcome to our project presentation entitled Optimization of Badminton Starting Service by using Projectile Motion. Introduction. There are two types of starting service in a competitive badminton sport, which are forehand long service and short service. The project research aimed to optimize the badminton starting service by minimizing the time the shuttlecock spends in the air. The result of this research can be used in order to improve the serving skill in the future. Due to lack of initial force acting on the shuttlecock, most of the players cannot perform a short service well because the shuttlecock does not go over the net. If the serve is too high, the opponent will be given a time to attack with a smash or a drop, so the opponent will be offered the opportunity to gain more points. The study proposed to investigate the correlation between different types of startup services in badminton that focus on short service and forehand long service. The objective of this research are to identify either forehand long or short service that will minimize the time the shuttlecock spends in the air, and to identify which is the best badminton trajectory angle mixed with the sideline. Methodology. The variable involved in badminton court and badminton trajectory angle. To set up our project, all variables involved in calculation is defined as follows. Figure on the left shows the top view of badminton court, while the figure on the right shows the schematic view of badminton trajectory angle. Calculation to determine which type of service that will minimize the time the shuttlecock spends in the air. Case 1. Forehand long service. The initial service height of the shuttlecock is at 0.9 meters, while the initial service height of the shuttlecock for Case 2, short service, is at 1.35 meters. And the other variable is assumed as follows. Analyzing the result obtained, the model need to be set up by varying the parameters. The optimum initial height of the starting service shuttlecock is different, where forehand long service is at 0.9 meters and short service is at 1.35 meters. Graphing the result obtained. The result obtained from the calculation of the projectile motion equation is then plotted in a graph by using Microsoft Excel software. On the basis of the result, the graph is then analyzed and interpreted. Based on analysis of the result, comparisons are made to determine either forehand long or short service that will minimize the time the shuttlecock spends in the air. Based on the comparison of forehand long and short service, the best badminton trajectory angle mixed with the sideline can be further analyzed and obtained. Results and discussion. Type of starting service that will minimize the time the shuttlecock spends in the air. Case 1. Forehand long service. The graph indicates that the best angle of service is at 47 degrees with a minimum time of 1.248423718 seconds. On the other hand, the maximum time the shuttlecock spends in the air is 1.248436560 seconds, which is generated by trajectory angle at 54 degrees. Case 2. Short service. Based on the graph, it indicates that the best service angle is at 52 degrees with the lowest time of 1.199828208 seconds. Contrary, the service angle at 54 degrees generates the maximum time, which is 1.199847665 seconds. Both graphs shows a wave curve due to cosine formula used in the equation. Therefore, it can be concluded that the best type of starting service that will minimize the time the shuttlecock spends in the air is short service, as the shuttlecock only spends 1.199828208 seconds in the air. The best badminton trajectory angle mixed with the sideline. The result determined that the best trajectory angle for the best type of starting service is at 52 degrees. The table shows the comparison of forehand long service and short service. It is shown that the minimum time is at 1.199828208 seconds and the angle is at 52 degrees for short service. Conclusion. The best startup service technique that will optimize the badminton starting service in the badminton game is short service with the best trajectory angle at 52 degrees. It can be concluded that short service provides the minimum time spent by a shuttlecock in the air compared to forehand long service. As a result, the shorter time the shuttlecock spends in the air, the more difficult it is for the opposing team to return the shuttlecock. Terms of commercialization. Use projectile motion method for any sport games that requires angle to score points in order to get the best score in the shortest amount of time. For example, a coach who teaches players how to use proper techniques in sports games such as basketball, badminton, volleyball, and many more in order to win. The table shows the offered services that is divided into two types of package. Potential client, athletes, players or coach for sport games such as badminton, tennis, volleyball, netball, basketball, ping pong, and many more. This is the copyright of our publication. And this is the proof of our publication. Our abstract is accepted in the International Joint Conference 2021. And this is the abstract that we use. Thank you for watching. Bye!